looking at my good blue ship, and we're starting... Oh, I gotta remember. This is one of those things that I don't understand about things that happen. If I click onto the game, if I click onto the emulator, for some reason... Okay, so that's the big gun control room. What exactly? Battle my way to the launch site. Where's the launch site? It's been a week. This is not... That's what I want. Let's do this. See where this takes me. Oh no, this was the last place. Okay. Is this mission on this planet? No. It's on Mylon. Why am I on Koros? Why did I end on Koros? I don't remember. That's where I'm going. Okay. So, yeah. Not sure. That being said, because I don't know what next week holds because there's some stuff that I gotta do next week, I'm gonna try and finish this now. Like, I wanna get this game done, out of the way, and hopefully moving on. Depending on how long it takes, depends on what my plans are tonight. I'm assuming this is probably gonna take the rest of the night.
I'll bet you miss your old shield charger, huh?
Hey
Lucky
there.
for you.
We're gonna go do that real fast. Aquados. Just because I want that. I wish they, like, I understand why they, you know, give that to us piecemeal so they can make sure that we're not getting access to higher tier weapons early in the game. But it would be a little nicer if it wasn't like, yep, you gotta go sit through a loading screen so you can get back to Slim Cognito, so you can get back to a loading screen so you can get the thing you want, you know, have the thing you want where you want it. Okay, but this shield charger is so nice. Okay, back to Command Center. Whee! Thankfully, the YouTube upload should be done in 15 minutes. I started it earlier today, and I've had it for a while, but I'm just a lazy bum who forgets about the stuff that they're supposed to be doing. Okay, so... Okay. Yeah. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. I know I have lots of weapons. To utilize. Several which I got use out of last time. Okay, need something better than this. How good was this plasma coil? I don't actually remember. Oh, decent. Ouch. Ooh. Ow. Okay, I didn't quite realize how much damage I was taking there. Okay, so... that was a waste. Yes, I am going back to immediately buy that money back, that ammo back, because that was a waste. Because I hit the wrong button. Ooh. Okay. And I know this will be a useful, helpful hand. There we go. Ta-da! Bouncer was a big help last time. Okay. Getting back into my rhythm. It's been a week since I played this. And it shows a little bit. Okay, and I'm assuming I'm supposed to jump? Okay. Yeah, wait. Okay. Oh, yeah, down here. Down here. I was about to say, I'm like, this looks like it's supposed to be. Okay. Yep, cool. Oh, this is... Oh, I've got it in here somewhere. I don't have it in here somewhere. Quick select. Switch rings. This should be the tier, guys.
Ratchet, you're going to need the tier gun.
Yes, isn't that what I... There we go. Hi, friend. Oh yeah, this was the rhythm game thing. Oh. I don't know why I stopped there. That's pretty good. How do I know you can trust you? You are squishy after all. Orange crouton, zoom, butterscotch. That's pretty good. Ooh. Could one Tyrannoid lie to another? Only if his lips were moving. I'm not sure I like your tone. I must report your behavior to the authorities if you do not let me past. You're going to be pressing through my bowels if you're still standing here in 5 seconds. Ah. Okay. Focus. My brains. Your mother was... No. Don't say that. You don't know his mother. Alright, no need to get violent. I'll just phone Dr. Nefarious and let him know he won't be getting his massage today. I'm terribly sorry for holding you back, friend. Please proceed. Say hi to Dr. Nefarious for me. Okay. Sorry, but we're getting this titanium bolt, and hopefully that's... Okay, yep, that still works. I didn't have to do that twice. Whew, okay. Sorry if I'm a little down and out of it. Because my brain was like, just read that text in your head. Okay. Can I jump with the tier, guys? Yes, I can. Hello. Talk. I'll use something like that, maybe. Excuse me, sir. Lawrence doesn't like the color of this force food. He says it clashes with his trousers and he wants it deactivated immediately. Nice try, Squishy. You know, I heard a rumor about a Lombax creeping around here disguised as a Tyrannoid. I emit noxious effluvium in your general direction. No, that's... Wow, that's great and not really topical anymore. Ah, that's a good one. That Lombax must be incredibly brave. Or incredibly stupid. Is that some kind of Halloween costume you're wearing? Ah, look, if you let me through, I'll loan you my Amoeboids Gone Wild HoloVids disc. Director's cut? Ooh, of course. You won't believe what those slimy co-eds will do when the cameras are rolling. Got yourself a deal. Sorry. Get me some bolts. Get me some bolts. Here. Oh, nope. Okay, splitter rifle. Okay. Ooh, I dodged one of those. Okay. So I'm still getting double bolts, though. I forget that I can do that. Okay. Hyper shot. Oof. Oof. Nope, 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 nope. Plasma coil. There we go. This weapon would be nice to level up and get some nice upgrades for doing... Ooh, I forget about these all the time. The let's hide behind a pile of boxes and let the auto turret do all the work. Because auto turrets are great. Is that functional? I don't feel like that was functional. Huh. Ouch. Ooh, yeah, okay. So that didn't work. Yep. That wasn't surprising. Okay, so let's get... Okay. That did not work out well for me. I wanted to try it anyways, though. Okay, so splitter rifle is still probably the best here. Got it. Okay, hyper shot. Rift Inducer. Okay. This gun feels really oversold to me. Okay. Anyways, let's get this going. Right. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, and bam. Bam. Okay, and bam. I thought you were on. And then a bouncer shot. There we go. Oof. I'm real hurt. Oh, that's not useful. Don't know where that would be useful. Aha! Screw you! This one I kind of want to use tear gas for it, because... Hi. Bye. Okay. Splitter rifle. Get him. Him. Ah, crap. Nope. Okay. Field charger. There we go. Hyper shot. Is that my shield charger on? Because I don't like that. And then... Okay, bouncer's leveled up. Da-da-da. Got him. Okay. Be fully prepared. Oh, that thing probably wasn't going away. That's weird. It's a little visual glitch I just noticed is it's gone here, but it's still actually active. Okay, well, I wasted one. Hacker. It's this weird game. Again, probably my least favorite hacking minigame that they've done. Just because this one, it's not that it doesn't feel skill-based, because it does. I just don't like the skill that it's testing. Because it's kind of hard to see how you're doing. So this feels very robotic, almost in a sense. Like, there's a skill to it. Because obviously you can lose. And I'm capable of losing. I've done it. So it's not that I'm going to say this is easy. I just don't... I guess I just don't find it fun, is really what it comes down to. Okay. I also dislike that the progress bar isn't, like, segmented correctly. I don't know what it's segmented for, but it's not, it's a specific number. And I don't know what that number is. Nope, I want bouncer. Okay. There we go. There may still be more around. Is there more? Okay. I got them all. Okay, so let's get a refractor out here. Still... Oh, okay, so that doesn't work yet. Okay. So I'm assuming...
To attach the wrench to the bolt crank.
Not entirely positive what I just did there. Oh. Okay, there. Ah, I needed 2 of them. It's an interesting way of making sure that you don't screw up this puzzle. Since, like, there's not ways to take back the... Also, it's fun that my shield is just 100% resistant to the... Or if it's not 100% resistant, it's resistant. It's quite resilient to the damage. Ooh, that I don't like. Big guys up there are my first priorities. Ooh. Ooh, did they not waste my shield charge when I bundled it? I don't think it did, which is neat. Like, they could have completely... been mean and wasted a shield charge when I thought that I had needed a new one and didn't. But they didn't. That's nice. Either that or I picked one up at some point, which is distinctly possible. I just didn't see it. This is gonna be a boss.
We're too late.
Yay! We're going on a ship to the thing. To the place to destroy the thing. That whole shebang. Is the thing done now? It is. Video's not up yet, it's still processing.
If that thing gets into space, Veldin won't have a chance. That's not gonna happen.
Okay. What are we doing? Okay. That's a lot of... I kind of wish there was something more I could do.
You again?
Yeah.
You will pay for your insolence, you miserable rodent. You'll regret. Sorry, Nefarious. Your flight's been canceled. Lawrence! Lawrence! Lawrence!
How can I be of assistance?
Annihilate him!
Just kidding. You've reached my holographic voicemail. Leave your name and a brief message. Ta-ta.
Fine. I'll do it myself.
I'm really glad I'm not facing Lawrence. I'm more afraid of Lawrence than I am of Nefarious. By a long shot. Actually, wow. Aside from the very short range attack he's doing. Ooh, that was good. Ah. Like, most of his attacks are kind of interesting. I'm just not dealing that much damage. Okay. Oh yeah, let's do that. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch.
I am defeated. I have no choice but to throw myself on your mercy. Really? I mean, that's right, Nefarious. Your reign of terror is finally sucker!
I expected that. I got ammo. I'm also very hurt. Would have helped if I wouldn't have come into this fight at half health. But you know... Okay. Oof. Okay. Come on. Ah. Please? No. Ouch. 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 Okay, I'm assuming I'm supposed to be doing something about that, but I don't know what it is. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm supposed to be doing about the big laser. Nope. That killed me. So, okay. Let's do shield charger and mega turret. Again, I kind of wish this was a little more nope, nope. Those sucked. There we go. Okay. This is going much better. Okay. Let's skip that. Okay. So get my bouncer ammo back. Nope. Don't you dare kill yourself. Okay. So I know that we're gonna get this big boy. And that'll kill him. And then once we get to here. Okay. There we go. Okay, so there's a thought that's in my head right now, which is what happens when we get close? Absolutely nothing. Oh no, he's moving. I feel like this is more of an avoidance, not a kill everything. Okay. This is where we shoot him a whole bunch. And do I? Nope, I'm out of shields. Okay. Okay, let's play it a little bit more safe. Okay, I hate, I hate, I hate, I hate, I hate, I hate. I hate, 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 I hate. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think I need to use this to get that last little bit of health down. Aha! Did it! We did it.
Is this important, sir? It's almost time for my solo.
Begin the transformation!
I call it Base Odyssey.
Now, Lawrence!
If you insist.
Huh. This is starting to feel almost like a Final Fantasy boss. Okay. I wish this was something we had used more than once. Because I feel like I'm not gonna do well with it. Yep, that's about what I expected. Is there another place with... Okay, I appreciate that it brought me here. Okay, this is feeling a little bit more doable now that I'm figuring out how to cheese the AI. Okay, we're getting a bit of health down. Okay. Need to find safe-ish landing site. Okay. This feels like a way to another ship. Cool. Awesome. Great. If it wasn't the way to another ship, I kind of would have been screwed because I don't think it was really viable for me to use. I probably could have beat him with the buggy, given how little life he has left. Sorry that I was quiet there for a lot of that, but I was trying to win.
By squishes. I'll never live this down.
Reactor detonation in 60 seconds.
Lawrence, engage the teleporter.
Would you care to specify a destination, sir?
Who cares? Just get us out of here.
Time's up.
What? That wasn't even close to 60 seconds!
Bye-bye.
We're live from the star-studded premiere of the latest Holo film in the Secret Agent Clank series. The atmosphere is positively electric as thousands of fanatical fans clamor for a glimpse of their favorite celebrities.
Oh, Skate got back from Robot.
Agent Clank, it seems your luck has finally run out. The time has come to say goodbye. Your tricks won't do you any good this time, Agent Clank. I have been waiting for this moment a long time, and now I am going to blow you into a million pieces! Get this thing off me!
Well, he got that monkey off his back. Do not even think about it.
That's good. Oh, okay. And that's the game. So I know at very least I'm gonna split the recording here. And I think that's what I'll do. We'll split the recording here. We'll finish off this. So if you watching on YouTube, I'm gonna let the credit roll for a little bit, but we're done with Up Your Arsenal. And I'm gonna start Tools of Destruction. So this was a lot of fun. This is where I think the series, I said it a few times, that this was where I was feeling like the series was starting to hit stride. And I think that's very much true. Like, that final boss fight was difficult. I used a lot of cheese in that boss fight, but there was the cheese to be there. Like, I wasn't playing the best. I wasn't dodging probably as much as I should have been. There was a lot of, like, little things you could do better there. Probably a lot of big things, too. But I didn't feel that weird, odd jump in difficulty that felt in other games. It felt like this had naturally progressed into a nice final epic battle. I hope that their epic battles, don't keep doing the Final Fantasy just one more phase, because and like the 3 phases that wasn't a big deal. I joke about it being like a Final Fantasy boss fight, but it's not. It's not Ansem, which has 7 or 8, a lot. Because the first 2 phases were very linked, so really they were basically the same phase. I wish I knew more of what to do when he was firing that laser. I just, like, I didn't know what it was trying to get me to do. So the blowing past all those enemies felt like the right move, but I don't know if it actually was, because they were a pain when it came to actually fighting in that next phase, as they were there. All things considered, beat the final boss in 2, which felt pretty good. The shield, like, obviously the shield thing helped me. But if I had more upgraded weapons, rather than, like, I think, like, the 4 or 5 that I had upgraded, this probably would have been a lot easier. So, I do thankfully have, like, Tools of Destruction set up to move on to that, but this was fun. If you've not played this, I do recommend it if you are into the old kind of action-adventure platformers, 3D platformers of the, like, mid to late 2000s. Like, this feels kind of, and I guess I've never played Sly Cooper, so saying it seems in the vein of Sly Cooper, but it seems that style, you know. Here's one that is on the tip of my tongue that I have played. Carmen Sandiego. Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego for the GameCube? So it was kind of on par with that, the later Spyros. Even if I don't necessarily like Spyro post their attempt at reboot. And I know there are people who like some of what they did there. There were just things I didn't. But that being said, the style of game was not my problem with it. It was direction otherwise. What other games are kind of in this vein? Obviously, like, if you enjoy the newer Ratchet and Clank games, you should definitely come back for these, because this has been fun. Yeah. So, you know, if you're into action-adventure platformers, or just kind of action-adventure games in general, like, the Tomb Raider games, this is kind of a similar taste and feel. Obviously, there's a bit of difference, and mind you, my experience with Tomb Raider is mostly the reboot trilogy, but this has some similar feel to it in the progression. You know, there's some collectibles, some all sorts of little things. And I am a little happier with... So I made a small comment about sexual dimorphism in the last game between Ratchet and the other Lombax that they had introduced. But beside the point, I like at least just the look of the pairing that they had going in this one. Just for, like, they are roughly the same sized creature. But that's a small nitpick again of the last game. Again, and the last game was fun it was just annoying hitting that snow level and getting the, that point where I felt I needed to go grind. I never felt like I needed to grind here. I felt like I always had enough bolts, which was nice. So, and I'm sure like there's a ton of other stuff that I can still
What do
do.
you mean we can't teleport to a planet?
I'm afraid we're well out of range, sir. Perhaps if you had bothered to specify a destination.
When will we be in range?
Oh, I'm sure something will come along in, say, 5 or 10,000 years.
Ah! I don't believe this! Now what?
I don't suppose you can play drums.
Lawrence is my favorite. At this point, you can time warp back to just before you finish the game with square or enter challenge mode. We are going to square because obviously, all things considered, I can probably just do that last fight again just about anywhere. And if I feel like doing challenge mode, but like there's a couple things still here. Let's actually, because I've got a ton. Okay, what's most expensive thing here? So these are so this is the thing that I could not like buy. Obviously like there's something to be said about the fact that I didn't buy all the weapons and I didn't feel the need. But I do also feel like there was decent variety, and that some of these Gadgetron weapons would have filled the space for the ones that I was getting from Slim. And I'm assuming the ones from Slim would have been more expensive had I not. But obviously, I wouldn't have gotten them from free. So I'm not gonna necessarily say that. Also, this gun probably actually could have been really good, the suck cannon, because I remember the suck cannon, like, if you utilized it well enough, was pretty devastating. The problem was getting, like, what counted as small enough to fit into the suck cannon. Anyways, I'm going to finish up the recording for this here. If you're watching the live stream, don't worry, we're continuing the live stream. But if you're watching YouTube, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to head off and start Tools of Destruction, the first in the Ratchet and Clank Future series. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.